Hello, I'm Diego Paredes. I'm with Advanced Test Equipment Corp, and today we'll be looking at the Narda FieldMan's features. The FieldMan comes in multiple configurations. You can get a unit that covers the low frequency and the high RF frequency, or you can get a unit that only covers the low frequency for magnetic field measurements, or a unit that is in the RF high frequency for the electric field measurements. You can also get a FieldMan in the radio-free version, which has no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. This is if you need it for lab purposes or in-field purposes. The one nice thing about the new FieldMan is that it has replaced the old ELT 400 unit. In the past, if you wanted to take low magnetic field measurements, you needed 2 meters. You needed the NBM series and the ELT 400. The FieldMan can do both, so you only need 1 meter for both measurements, and the probe that you would need will be the BFD 400 series probe. The new FieldMan probes are digital and come with a rugged USB-C connector, as you can see, and it has a screw-on for the unit for reinforcement. The new probes integrate the sensor for electric or magnetic field measurement, depending on the probe, an amplifier, a metering function, and an analog to digital converter. Since the new digital probes integrate all these functions, only the probes need calibration. The FieldMan meter does not need to be calibrated, which saves time and money. Also, since the digital probes integrate these functions, they can be connected directly to a computer and be used with the free Narda TSX software. Another new feature for the FieldMan is the digital broadband probe repeater. This converts the digital electric signal of a probe to an optical signal. This way you can have a fiber optic cable connected to the FieldMan of up to 50 meters. One great thing about the FieldMan is that it has an analog to digital probe converter. So if you have any of your old NBM series probes, you can actually use them on the FieldMan. What you do, you connect your LEMO connector to it. You screw here, then you just grab the meter and you would just connect, there we go, screw on the converter. Is going to do the self-test completed. One very noticeable thing about the FieldMan is how easy it is to grab and use in the field. As you can see, the FieldMan can be used with one hand, and every button is accessible with the thumb, and that's the way it's meant to be used, so you can have one hand freed up in case you're in the field grabbing onto something. So that's a very important feature of this new meter. Also, the screen is color and very visible, and it's very visible in direct sunlight as well, so it makes it very easy to see your readings and to work with the meter. One great thing of having a bigger screen is that you actually have a graph here of a function versus time. You can see the field strength versus time, so you no longer need an oscilloscope or a spectrum analyzer with you in the field. Thank you so much for watching the Narda FieldMan video. For more information or a quote, you can contact us at www.atecorp.com.